Hello, welcome to Chemistry Made Easy. In this lesson, we'll be looking at scientific methods. If you're joining us for the first time, you are specially welcomed. Let's begin. What do we mean by scientific method? Scientific method is the way scientists find answers to questions by following steps in order. Or you can put it this way: scientific methods are orderly steps followed by scientists in order to find answers to questions. Now, let's look at the steps. There are 6 steps of the scientific method. Number 1 is observation, just as it sounds. Watching carefully and noticing what happens. Number 2 is question, asking a question about what you observed. Number 3 is hypothesis, that is, making a smart guess or guessing a possible answer to your question. Number 4 is experiment, that is, carrying out a test or an experiment to test your guesses. Number 5, results, which means recording what you see and what happens. Recording what you see and what happens. Number 6, conclusion. Conclusion meaning getting your final answer and answering the question if your guess was correct or not. Now, we're going to look at a practical illustration. A practical illustration is that of: does sunlight affect plant growth? Number 1, observation. You observe a plant that receives direct sunlight grows better than the one that is in a dark place. Now, question: does sunlight help plants grow? Number 3, hypothesis. If a plant gets more sunlight, then it will grow taller. If is a conditional statement. You are guessing. Number 4, experiment. You experiment what you've observed. And how do you do that? You take 2 similar plants, put one plant in sunlight, that is where it receives sunlight directly, and put the other plant in a dark place. Then you water both plants equally, then observe them for 1 week. Number 5, results. The plant in sunlight grew taller and greener. The plant in the dark grew poorly. So your conclusion now: sunlight helps plants grow better. So that is a practical illustration of the scientific methods that we just talked about. Another practical and very common illustration is: does sugar cube dissolve faster in hot water than cold water? So you still take these same steps that we listed here: observation, question, hypothesis, experiment, result, and you get your answer, that is your conclusion. We'll be stopping here for now, but before we go, let's take these questions. Number 1, which of the following is the first step in the scientific method? And from what we've learned, the first step is observation. Now, the second question: what is done after making an observation? So after making an observation, what is done is that you ask questions. So B is the correct option. Number 3, give any 2 things you can observe in an experiment. So you will try this one. Leave your answer in the comment section and we will check it out. If this video is helpful to you, please kindly like, subscribe and share. Remember, you can be helping a child, that girl, that boy that's always complaining that chemistry is hard, by sharing this video. Thank you so very much for watching. We will see you in our next lesson. Bye.